I'm gonna do you a quick video on how we play Tonk here in Texas. We play it in Jasper a lot. If you look at these cards, you probably see some of them are faded. Most of them are faded. But I'm gonna show you what we do. We take out the 8, 9s, and 10s. You see all the 8s, 9s, 10, the Joker. All those come out. So we don't use the 8, 9s, and 10s. And we usually have 2 decks so that the next person in line can go ahead and deal. So we won't have to wait. But I'm gonna just show you how we play the game. All right, here we go. I'm gonna just do a quick shuffle here. We're gonna say we got 3 people playing. They get 5 cards apiece. Okay, and it go counterclockwise. Clockwise. Since I dealt, it's this person's turn. So first you want to look at your hands. So I'm gonna just turn them all over so we can look at everybody's hands. So the object of the game is to match up pairs. It can be in suits. Just say ace is always 1. That's 2 and 3. Say for instance, if I had an ace, I could spread with that. But we go with this person first. You notice that they got a 3 and 2 aces, a queen, and a 6. So that's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And most of the times you have 24 and under, you just fall. So say for instance, this person has 21. You looked at the hand and you count those, 21. Ace is always 1. It's not a high card, so ace is a 1. So if you're looking at that, that's 6. Queen, 10, queen, kings, and jacks are 10s. So that's 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So more than likely that person gonna fall. They're gonna say, oh, I'm gonna fall with 21. He think he has the low hand. Okay, he failed. So now it's this other person's turn right here. You notice that that person got 10, 11, he got 22. So he beat that person. So over here, we can look at it now. It's way too many. You got 2 jacks. That's 10, 16, 26. So you got 30 something right there. So this person won. So if you had money in the pot, $10 each, so that's $30, that person won that whole pot because that person failed. Say for instance, if the cards was like this, I'm gonna change and put this card here and give them an ace. So you're looking at this now, that person got, if you look at it, that's 6, that's 12, 13, they got 23. And more than likely, they probably gonna fall. So if they fall with 23, this person right here only have 11, 12, 13, and they have 20. So this person fall, the person behind them catch them, they get caught. So now, this person right here that failed, they have to pay double. So instead of putting $10 up, they got to put this person and themselves up. So they have to put $20. So the game could get really fast. So let's roll another hand. I'm gonna just throw some options out there. Let's just say, for instance, I'm passing out this card. We're gonna go here again. Say for instance, they got this hand right here. And we're gonna get them 5 cards. 4, 5. This right here, 50, is an automatic win. So if you got 50, you just lay your hand down, you automatically won the pot. Okay. Say for instance, if this person got 50 and I got 50, it goes clockwise. It's his say so. So we started with this person, that person won. Say for instance, this person had 47 and this person had 50. Okay, I have these cards right here. 50 is gonna always beat 47. And I'm just dealing at this person first. Okay, once it keeps going around, once this person deal, once I deal, the next time this person deal, it keeps going around. So I'm just saying it's their say-so right here. So this person got 47, but 50 is gonna beat 47. So this person right here won the pot. So let's do another. He got 3 queens. Okay, and we'll say a deuce and a 6. We're just gonna give this person 5 cards. I'm gonna give it. Okay, this person looking at their hand, they don't like it. It's like right here, they got 10, they got 24. They may not want to fall. So now, since they don't want to fall, they can pull a card. So they pull a card, that's a jack. And that's a high card. So what you want to do is try to get some suits. It's nothing really suited in this. So they throw the jack away. Okay, now this person right here, they got their hand and they got a spread. So now it's their turn. So first thing they're gonna do is pull. You see they pull the king. So before they go any further, they will have to spread right there. And then they'll throw the king out. Now they only have 8 in their hands. So now it's my pull. You notice, if you're looking at my hand, I got a queen and some deuces and some 4s. So what I'm gonna do is my pull. You notice that I pulled a king. So I've got to hit that person. If I don't hit that person, they're gonna fall. And they'll fall with 8. And nobody, if you count everybody's hand, they won't get 8. So the first thing I do, I pull the king. I got 6 cards in my hand. First, I want to hit. I can't, if I throw it in, that other person might pick it up and then they can hit. I'm gonna hit that person, then I'm gonna throw the king out. Because the king won't help me in no kind of way to suit anything. You know, I'm looking for some 2s, or I'm looking for some 4s, or I'm looking for a 3 of spade. You got to have at least 3 suited. So, since I played, now it's this person pull. They gonna pull, you notice that they pull a 7. I don't know if you can see that, okay, 7. So what they gonna do is gonna try to keep these 7s together. And the best thing for them to do is probably throw that 3. Because, or maybe not the 3, but the 4. Try to get a little lower. Because they want to keep these 5s and the 7s. So when they pull, they may pull another 7, or they may pull another 5, or they may pull a 6. So a 5, 6, 7. Okay, they throw. So now it's this person. They can't fall now since I hit them. They got to wait to another round. So they pull a king. They don't want to keep that king, they're gonna throw it. I can pick up that king if I think I need it. I don't want that king, it's useless in my hand. So I pull the jack. A jack ain't gonna help me. So I'm gonna just throw it out. And note that we don't see these other people's hands. They holding them in their hand. I'm just showing you face up. But these right here would be turned up because it's a spread. Whenever you have a spread, you got to show everybody. Okay? So it threw it. Now it's this person pull again. Since nobody hit this person, since it went around, they can fall. They're gonna fall with an 8. So I got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that person won right there. Okay, let's do another scenario. And we're gonna start with this person again. They got a jack. Say I give him this type of hand right here. And I'm gonna give this person that one. or something. And I give myself a hand. Okay. Make sure everybody got 5 cards. Okay. So now this person look at their hand. Okay. Look like it's pretty good. They don't want to fall with that. It's too high. Because you got 10, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So what they want to do is pull. So this person pulled. They pulled a 3. So now what they want to do, they want to spread this. That's a 7, jack, and a queen. Then they want to get rid of one. You can either get rid of this deuce and you'll have 2 3s, or probably you want to go a little lower. We'll just go ahead and throw this 3 away, because you can get a 4 or ace and be suited. Okay, so that person, they threw a 3. Can this person use that 3? Nah, it's no good. So this person pulled. They pull another 3. So that's a 3 of heart. Well, you notice that so they pick their hand up. So they don't want this person to fall because they only have 5. So only thing, now they got the king, they just hit this person. Now I got this go around. This person can't fall now because he have to wait because he got hit. And then what they want to do, once they hit that person, you want to get rid of a card in your hand. Probably get rid of this high card, a 6. I can't use that 6, so I won't pick it up. Now, if that was, because I have a 5, 6, I'll need a 7 of diamonds. So I'm gonna just pull. And I pulled a 6 right here. I'm gonna keep that 6 with that and throw away the jack. See, this person can't fall because they got hit with the king. So now it's this person pull. They pull an ace. Oh yeah, they want to keep that ace and just throw this 3 out. Boom. Once they throw the 3 out, because that's the highest card, they trying to get the lowest they can. Notice that this person got 2 3s. So now this person gonna keep that 3 because they're gonna pick it up and they're gonna spread. Then they're gonna throw out another card. They're gonna get rid of that 4. Now they got 2. Okay, can I use this 4? No, I can't use this 4 with this hand, so I'm gonna pull. Oh, I got another 6. So that's a spread right there. I put it right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw away the 7. This person right here, a 7, can they use it? They can either fall with that 3, but more than likely they ain't gonna fall because they don't know what this person got, because they only have 1 card left. So you may thinking that's an ace or deuce. If I was them, I wouldn't fall. So what this person gonna do, they're gonna pull. They pull the 5. That 5 can't hit nothing, so they're gonna get rid of it, you know. This person got a deuce. Now the only thing that can beat this deuce, he know I got 2 cards, but he don't know what they are. He know this person got 2 cards. So what's the odds of this person have 2 aces and this person having 2 aces? If I was him, I'm gonna fall. I'll say I fall. Now, if I fall and say it's 2 right here, and if I had 2 aces over here, that person would have got caught and they would have to pay the pot double. Since he got 2, I got 6 over here, and they got 3, he won the pot. So just imagine if it was like this, and this person failed. He don't know what I got, and he fall. He got 2. Okay, I got 2. So since I tied him, he got beat. Now he got to double up on the pot. He got to pay my ante up and his ante up because he thought he could beat me with 2. So that's how the game works. So what you want to do is match it up. I could have kept this. That don't make sense to keep. I could have hit here, but then I would have to keep these 2 in my hand. So I just went on and spread. So that's all it is to Tonk. 70% of it is luck. Another 30% is kind of skill. So that's how you play Tonk. So anytime you have 47 or 50 in your hand, you automatically win. And it always goes clockwise. So after I deal, this person deal, it's that person say so. After he deal, this person deal, then it's my say so. So it keeps going around. So the person that gets the first card have the first deal, or they have the first say so. Say for instance, if I fall, I had 47, this person had 47, this had 47, and if they dealt, it goes to me first, so I automatically win. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.